Welcome to this short tutorial on how to use Google Forms. Within Drive, if you click New, go to More, and click Google Forms, this will bring up a blank template form for you. You can click here to title your form, and if you hit Tab, it'll go down to your form description, and then you can click on Untitled Question. This is where you'll begin putting in your questions. If you click on the plus sign on the right, that'll let you add a question. If you want the same type of question, you can click the little copy option on the bottom of your question, and you can change the question type by clicking on the drop down arrow where it says multiple choice. You have short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, and various other options that you can choose for your question types. You can also upload files, which means you can add images and short videos to your questions if you need to. You can make your files date and time related. You can have short answer for name, you can have email address, you can do a ton of different things with forms. You can import questions if you have another form where you have already asked questions that you need to ask again. You can add titles and descriptions, add your images, add your videos, and you can add a section. When you add a section, it shows you, here's your new section, and it will tell you after section 1, continue to next section. If you click on that drop down arrow, you can change where your form will go. If you click on your 3 dots, you can duplicate your section, you can move your section, you can delete it, or you can merge it with above. If you've created a new section and you didn't mean to, you can merge it with above, and that will just put your sections together. If you go up to your paint palette, you can customize your theme. You can choose your image for your header, which right now is purple. You can change just the color of the background, and you can change your font style to whatever you would like. When you click on preview, this is going to give you a sample of what your people will see when you submit the form for them. So if you're giving a quiz to kids, this is what they'll see. If you have a survey for parents, this is what they'll see. To get out of this view, you can either click on the pencil so you can edit the form, or you can just click the X on that tab and it'll take you back to where you were editing. For your settings, if you click the cog wheel, this is going to ask you, do you want to collect email addresses? Do you want to only have people within the district fill out this form? And do you want to limit this to 1 response? You can have them edit after they submit, and you can let them see the summary charts and text responses. You'll click Save once you've made all of your choices on here. For presentation, you can show your progress bar. You can show a link to submit another response. So if you have a parent survey and you want them to be able to submit more than 1 survey, you'll want show link to submit another response. If you're doing quizzes for students, you can make this a quiz and you can assign point values so that you can allow for auto grading, and then you can add those to your gradebook. Your 3 dots, that just allows you to do different things within your Drive. Add collaborators allows you to share this so other people can edit your form. Make a copy. If you are going to use this form with multiple people, multiple times, you can make a copy so that you can add it to different classes if you're in the middle school or high school setting, or if you have multiple classes you want to use this with. And then you have preferences where you can update your preferences for your form. On the top left-hand side, if you click in the title, it will automatically title it whatever you've titled your form, but you can change that name simply by typing in there. And that is a brief overview of forms.